Alright, so let's try this one. Writing a code. Okay, all you need to do is to ask the chatbot to create a script. Let's try. Create a script to build logistic regression in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, in Python let's try. To build a logistic regression model in Python using Jupyter Notebook, you can follow these steps. Install the necessary library, scikit-learn, library installed, and so on and so forth. Alright. And that is the script. Okay, so all you need to do is to copy the code and go to the Jupyter Notebook. Wow, this is amazing. Alright, so if you don't know how to code, it is now easier for everyone to write a code, even if there's even if we don't have knowledge in writing a code. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. All right. Wow, this is something that completely perfect, right? So that is how to write a code.